Hello, welcome everyone. I'm going to show you here about help you how you started to set constraints on Figma. First of all, you're gonna do about for this video is gonna be actually one of things starts to be about to help you about that, whether if it's going to be about to go with everything that is about to be satisfied, that is really to be important to be about to be here on this progress. So first of all, what you're gonna do is to set constraints is about that. So what you're gonna do is about to add constraints over here. You just read the plugins. You can start to add auto constraints or quite constraints. And as you run it, and as you can see, you can set it for everything. So selection. So loading auto constraints selection for auto constraints, and then starting about that, which is right about through the selection. And this is gonna be about be helping you a lot of things that you do, whether you are going to do that constraint or not. So that is all about